Hi, I just wanted to let you know that I love your American flag that you are now displaying. It is wonderful. Thank you so much.
I just wanted to call and say thank you so much. That beautiful American flag that you have out in your parking lot. That is fantastic, and there's been quite a stir, and I'll tell you, a lot of people are absolutely admiring it. We just wanted to call and say thank you for doing that. It's such a gift to Redmond, and we appreciate it very much.
Hi, I live in Bellevue, and today I saw your huge American flag that you put up, and I want to thank you for that. It's beautiful, and I get the message loud and clear, and I really appreciate that you went to the cost and effort to put up such a huge flag to remind us how amazing our country is. Thank you so much. Have a good day.